They called vegan double chocolate cookies. Okay. Do you think if I say Valentine's Day is stupid, everyone will get mad at me? Oh, hey, it's Lauren from Hot for Food. I am Hot for Food. You see me eating, cooking, loving on this channel every single Wednesday. And today just happens to be Valentine's Day. Oh, joy. Just kidding. It does give us an excuse though to eat something chocolatey, something sweet, and maybe you're not celebrating Valentine's Day like me. Maybe you're celebrating Galentine's Day with your gal friends or whatever. Whatever you're doing, I suggest you make today's recipe. I'm gonna show you how to bake up some vegan double chocolate cookies. I'm just gonna make regular round cookies, but if you have a heart-shaped cookie cutter and you really feel festive, be my guest and shape them into hearts. Do whatever you want. Share these with your friends, your family, your loved one, your children. Take them to school, take them to work. Just share the love. It's all about food. It's all about chocolate, really. So let's do this. We're gonna start with the dry ingredients. So we're using all-purpose flour. And you know how we do. You scoop and level, scoop and level. So cocoa powder tends to have lumps in it, so just sift it into the flour. You can also sift in baking soda and add some salt. And now give this a stir to combine it and set it aside. So by now you must be getting the hang of this whole baking thing, as I've baked a number of things for you on this channel. And as you know, I have just an inexpensive hand mixer like this, but if you have a stand mixer, you can do it all in one bowl. So you can start with this stuff first. You can cream the butter, add the sugar, vanilla, molasses, non-dairy milk, and then add all the dry ingredients into the bowl as you're beating it in the stand mixer. But that's why I just did it separately. So now we're gonna add a cup of vegan butter into this bowl and beat it until it's nice and soft and smooth. Once it looks nice and soft like this, you can add in the granulated sugar. And now we're gonna add in vanilla extract, a little bit of molasses, and some non-dairy milk. Now you can add the dry ingredients in here and give it a stir until it's well combined. Once it's mostly combined like this, then you can add the chocolate chips and continue stirring. So once the dough's malleable like this and you don't see any dry ingredients lingering around, you can start to portion the dough into cookies. All right, so you can make these cookies any size you want. Like I said, you can even shape them into hearts if you want. Roll them into a ball. And then when you place them on the parchment lined baking sheet, just slightly flatten them like that. And they'll do a little bit of spreading in the oven. So there is 24 cookies here. If you can fit both trays on the middle rack, do that. Otherwise, bake one at a time. They're going in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. So I should always listen to my own advice and follow my own recipe. You really shouldn't bake 2 trays at once. You should have one tray on the middle for 10 minutes and then bake the second tray on the middle. Because I tried to speed up this whole process and I put one tray on the top, and of course they're overbaked and they don't look as nice and they're a little drier looking. So just do the one tray at a time. These are the nice ones that were in the middle. It's not a big deal, but like if you're going for perfection, which I often am, I wouldn't bake 2 trays at once. Oh, vegan double chocolate cookies. Look at how chunky they are. I just got real excited for Valentine's Day. Oh my God. Truthfully, this is an old recipe on the blog. I haven't made it in a while. I forgot how freaking good it is. Mmm. Those should be sold in a bakery. That isn't my house. Mmm. Oh my God. You're gonna love the texture of these. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. I know what you're gonna say in the comments. Do I have to add molasses? I hate molasses. Well, you don't even taste it, but it really enhances the chocolate. Because I remember when I made these and I added it, I was basing it off some other recipe, I don't remember. Anyway, I remember doing it without the molasses and there's a difference, so. Just saying. Mmm. Mmm. Did you know my favorite dessert is a cookie? Who needs a date when you can have a cookie? Am I right? Oh my God. Okay, I have a few things to tell you. First of all, make that recipe, obviously. It's linked in the description below. And I hope you enjoy it. You don't have to be celebrating Valentine's Day or anything else. You can make these whenever you want. They're super easy. But did you hear that I'm going on the Hot for Food book tour? I am taking a bus across America from New York to Philly to LA to San Diego to come meet up with you guys, all the Hot for Foodies in the US of A, and I'm so stoked about it. All the details I have linked below at hotforfoodblog.com/book tour. Go check out the dates, when and where I'll be, and RSVP to the event nearest you. It's gonna be a freaking blast. It's so crazy. I leave on March 7th and I don't come back until like the end of March. It's like I'm a rock star or something. I have a bus, I'm like going on a tour, like I can't even believe it. It's so crazy. So make sure you follow the adventure, #HotForFoodBookTour, and @HotForFood and @LaurenToyota on Instagram. I will be documenting the whole thing and creating content for YouTube, for vlogs and stuff like that. So you'll get to see everything, and I'm gonna be talking about it from now until I leave. So hopefully you're not sick of that. And the book comes out so soon, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 Recipes to Feed Your Face. Go pre-order it now, and if you pre-order it, you have the opportunity to get a free bonus ebook of even more recipes. You have to claim that before the release date of February 27th. So go do that now. That link is also in the description. Always check the description, there's lots of information there. And that's it for me. I hope you have a lovely, lovely, lovey-dovey Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, or what's another word for that? Why is it just Galentine's Day? Like what about, I don't know, I'm not very clever. I can't think of anything. I should just go online and look at hashtags. Okay, that's it for me. I'm gonna eat all these cookies and drink all this almond milk. And just love myself. Bye. Love you all.